That's where we go. Wish me luck, guys. Time to go. So we're just at the entrance here of Moonstar Arms. Pretty big factory, isn't it? You can go and see what kind of guns they're putting together in there. You can hear machine gun fire in the distance. A little bit scary, but exciting at the same time. Gotta watch out for stray bullets. Salam. Salam. It looks like the workshop down there. It's a workshop. Okay.
Okay,
We
you
got
can go washroom.
Thank you. The cricket news. We go in this room. Hello, thank you. Salam. Oh yeah.
Where are you from?
Australia.
I'm from Australia too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, where about in Australia?
Sydney.
Sydney, I'm from Sydney, I'm from Belgian.
I'm from Maroubra.
Oh, you're from Maroubra, the beaches.
Yeah.
Nice place. Yeah.
What brings you here?
I'm from Pakistan originally.
Oh yeah.
How long have you been in Pakistan?
Couple of weeks.
Oh, okay.
Just, I just travelled up from Karachi.
Oh, nice.
Bit of a trip. What's your connection with the gun factory?
Because I got guards like for the protection from the security company. So basically, they just want to clean it up.
Or clean the guns?
Yeah, clean. Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm from a landlord family, so I need so I got the lands in Rawalpindi basically. So my father, my grandfather, they are the landlords.
Okay.
So we are the landlords, so we need some sort of protection with us.
Yeah.
So so it's for protection.
Yeah, sure.
So the same way you got the security guards, like when you have an event in Sydney,
Yeah.
at the pubs, you got the bouncers.
Yeah.
So same situation for me in Pakistan.
Have you ever been down to Dara Aramkel?
No, never. I've never been to I lived in Islamabad when I was growing up, around Delhi, Lahore. I've been to Karachi once. Peshawar, this is my best. I don't go to the trouble areas. I stay out of trouble.
Yeah. We might go and have a look around.
Oh yeah, why not? They got a factory downstairs.
Yeah. Should we go have a look?
ये कुछ सर्च करना चाह रहे हैं, देखना चाह रहे हैं.
Would you like to have any lunch or dinner? See the guests? Just frankly.
Probably not. We just had lunch not long ago.
Okay.
But I appreciate the offer, yeah. I'm still full.
Look, you're
Yeah.
from Sydney, so because it's my hometown as well. So,
Yeah.
you know,
Okay.
We'll have a look.
all right, why not?
See you. Nice to meet you.
It was nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself, huh?
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Let's go and have a look at the workshop. Hello. Salam. Oh, blue. What's it called? Blue Moon. Moonstar, sorry. Moonstar Arms Company. Let's see what's in this workshop gun factory. stuff down here. A lot of machines. I can smell grease and sawdust and metal shavings in the air. Oh, look at that. That's where it all is. Someone sleeps here sometimes. Got these various machines, devices. People come and do their work here. Salam. Wow, cool. All sorts of things here. Oh, you can see him just doing a bit of chiseling on that pistol. Salam. Interesting. Wow. So he's building the frame of the gun right there, the barrel right there. They really make these by hand, don't they? Make all the different parts. It's pretty interesting. The men must work here. He's putting another one together there. And how much do you think a gun like this would cost?
कितने की होगी ये गन में 30 बोरा ये कम से कम ये है 35,000
35,000 rupees, yeah? Okay. How long would it take to make something like this? How long to make one?
कितना टाइम लगता है एक बनाने में
लेकिन समय टाइम लेगी यो जोड़े वही का सो टूल यो प्रोसेस टू मुकम्मल तैयार हो तो यो तमांचा पसूर जुड़ी आवाज है पर शरीक का ना ये इस तरह होता है कि इनका अलग-अलग पार्ट है ना
डिफरेंट पार्ट्स
Okay.
हां
डिफरेंट पार्ट्स
हर एक बंदे के साथ अलग-अलग पार्ट होता है तो
they can make 50 pieces 100 pieces depend on order
So 100 guns in one day.
one day yeah.
100 guns. Okay. Do they each make a different gun?
no
Oh, they're all making the same
all making
same gun.
and different guns
Okay.
work together
All working together, all these guys. So some will make like the handle, some will make the other part.
yes.
Okay. And they work in day and night, or like
no in daytime
just daytime, yeah.
yes
12 hours 13 hours
13 hours. Okay. Okay. So yeah, they can have a nap here when they're tired, the workers. Honestly, it's pretty interesting. Fan, another work area. I feel like I'm back in school a bit doing my industrial tech classes. Wow. Salam. So this guy is like, he must be filing some metal. Wow. Wow, look at all this, yeah? A big stack of gun parts, basically like the body of the gun. So these are the, wow. It's all been filed down nicely. You can see it's still got the metal shavings on it. And then I guess other parts will be attached to this, but this is like the gun, the body of the gun. Oh, that's afterwards. So it turns into this, see the difference? So they file away more parts.
after this
Yeah. So this is like the initial shape of the gun, and then they cut away more parts with these machines. Wow. And you can see the amount of shavings and stuff here. Have a look at this guy. They're all handgun pistols at this place. I haven't seen anyone making machine guns or anything too crazy yet. But yeah, it's still pretty impressive, the operation here. A little bit scary. We're in this basement type place. Wow, so yeah, just little parts. Maybe for like the revolver or some part of the gun mechanism, the firing mechanism. I don't know a huge amount about pistols, but yeah, look at that. Somebody might be able to let us know what these parts are. But yeah, everyone's got a different station here. They're all working on different parts of the gun, drilling and filing. Not much PPE around here, to be honest. And he looks like he's got some other little piece that sits on top of the gun there. But yeah, it's all very mechanical and fast. They all know what they're doing, and they're making these gun things very quickly. These gun parts.
Simple.
Oh, okay, wow. So that goes in here, yeah.
And here.
Yes.
So it's some kind of little, like, axle type piece that covers over some kind of part involved in the shooting mechanism, I believe, or maybe it's the safety, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, the,
Safety latch,
yeah,
yeah,
the safety latch, yeah.
The safety latch.
Oh, like the reload.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
it's like a reload part, yeah, something like that. Anyway, yeah. Slider.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Cool. That's cool, man. Cool. Thank you. Shukran. Yeah. So they have a pretty busy little workshop down here. Shukran. Good work. So you can see all the different parts and everything these guys make. They have to chisel out and cut different angles into these gun bodies. Everyone puts different parts into them. But yeah, it's pretty elaborate, the whole setup here, guys. And lots of machines. It definitely smells a bit like high school industrial classes where I used to be filing metal and doing metal work and whatnot. So they make like some different material,
Yes, it's plastic.
plastic body, yeah?
Yes, plastic one.
Interesting. And he's making like the top part of the gun, yeah?
Yes. Now the chip.
Show us where that goes. Wow. Okay, so it's for like the sliding mechanism?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Thank you, shukran. Gun factory in western Pakistan, guys, up in the tribal region near Peshawar. Have a look to see what's going on out here. Oh, there's more.
Cook करना पड़ता है, पकाना पड़ता है.
ये इनको hard किए हुए देखो.
What is this?
It's cooked.
So they smelt it or
Yes.
something? And they make this, it's...
अगर ये hard ना हो ना तो फिर काम वो नहीं करता है.
Yes.
More parts from the gun, yeah?
Yes.
It's another process of the guns.
And they make this by melting the metal or something, do they?
No, not melting it.
Okay. But they heat it up or
Heat it up, yes.
and weld or something? Is there welding?
It's for solid it.
Okay.
Yes, solid it here.
So-
Not solid down. Solid here.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
ये देखो.
Oh,
ये
that's...
फीस बोर वो है ना फीस बोर का. ये देखो.
Oh,
Fillet.
so it's like, I see what you're saying. They burn it to make it stronger or something?
Yes,
Make
yes,
the metal
make it stronger, yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay. Awesome.
अंदर है.
Okay, come.
Okay, we'll have a quick look in here. Shalom. Wow, thought we had seen it all, but there's more in here. So this is what the gun starts off looking like. It's basically just a chunk of metal. And then they eventually shape it into the gun and cut various rivets and valleys and channels through it.
this form.
And then they
This form.
turn it into this form,
Yes.
and then they polish it up and turn it into this. So there's so many stages.
And then in this form.
And then into this. Oh, here's another. And that's the last stage. Wow. So there's many stages, and they just keep kind of adding new cuts to the original shape until eventually they get a gun, and that's with many different parts. Wow, it's so interesting, yeah.
Okay.
So we'll keep having a look through. So this is, yeah, where it all begins. So that's another piece of the original gun that goes on top, yeah. Wow. So that's stage one of the top part of the gun. Awesome.
That's another part.
And this is,
Convert to.
yeah, another piece. So,
It's breed up.
yeah, okay.
It's breed up part.
That's where the bullet goes through there, yeah. So that's another part which they make. Excellent, thank you. So yeah, that little workshop there is basically the early stages of the gun development, and then they go downstairs and put in the more advanced work into the gun and bring it all together. So there's another area just here. It never ends. Wow, look at that, yeah. So this is another stage as well, with the trigger, carved out. It is pretty heavy. I've never held a gun properly before, and it's pretty sharp. There's some pretty sharp little parts on it from the body there. But yeah, pretty heavy, honestly. It feels a couple of kilos in weight. And it is a little bit sharp. Look at this stack of gun bodies. See what's in here.
M4 body. इस पे हम M4 की बॉडी तैयार करेंगे। CNC मशीन है ना, तो इसका ऑपरेटर में हूँ।
What is
operator of this machine?
Oh, you make
Very sensitive machine.
sensitive machine. Yeah.
Yes.
Too much expensive machine.
Really expensive.
Yes, really too much.
Is it a printer? No, 3D printer. No.
Yes, it's
or 3D,
just like 3D printer. Yes.
like a 3D printer.
M4 body.
Ah, so it makes M4 body. Yeah.
Yes.
With what material is it? Is it metal? It
Raw
makes
material is put in inside.
ये कॉस्टेलियन इस्तेमाल है।
Aluminium.
aluminium. Oh wow, cool. Have you got any M4 here?
No, starting.
About to start soon, yeah?
Yes, start.
Okay.
New,
It's new. Oh wow, okay. So this factory will start making M4s pretty soon. They're going to expand into their automatic weaponry. But yeah, it continues on, this place. Wow, I like the nice wall art here. Beautiful. Like grandmother's. Grandmother's house.
Yeah, grandmother.
So nice. Awesome, man. Thank you. Thank you for showing me this. So that was the old Shukran Moonstar Arms. That was eye-opening. First time in a gun factory. Yeah. I think we're gonna go play a bit of cricket now before it gets dark. Let's go.
मगरिब का नमाज नहीं है? उसके बाद या वो चेयर पेड़ हो।
This day just keeps going on. We're going to a shisha cafe now. Wow.